Can you wash your car in the winter or even in areas with water restrictions? I'm Dane from Ceramic Pro, and I'm going to be going over the Americana Global Rinse-less Wash system. This works perfect for every car, but especially cars with Ceramic Pro coatings, paint protection film, or our Ultimate Armor package. First thing you're going to want to do is park your car in the shade or in a covered spot like a carport or garage. Then you're going to need to collect your supplies. Let's talk about those. Plush microfiber towels, a drying towel, the Americana Global Rinse-less Wash, either in 16, 32, or gallon size, 2 buckets filled with filtered water. Don't use tap water because you can leave hard water spots. Having a pump sprayer as an option is something we highly suggest, so that way you can pre-soak the panels. Now we're going to go ahead and mix our solution into the water. So the really cool part about these sizes of bottles is the cap makes it very easy to get your dilution ratios correct. 1 cap per 1 gallon of water. Now let's stir it up, and we are ready to wash the car. Okay, we are ready to start washing. First thing I'm going to do is soak my panel with the sprayer. Then I'm going to take my microfiber towel, soak it in my wash bucket, wipe the panel, and then rinse it in my rinse bucket before I put it back into my wash solution. Let's get started. Okay, the panel is soaked. I'm going to now put my microfiber towels in my wash bucket and squeeze some of the water out. You still want to leave plenty in there. Now, when you're doing this in colder climates, you're going to want to work in smaller sections or panel by panel so that that water on the panel doesn't freeze. Okay, I'm going to wipe in side-to-side motions from top to bottom. What's really cool about Americana Global's Rinseless Wash is the way that I have it diluted right now. It's safe to put on trim, tires, windows, chrome, pretty much anything. Okay, now that I have wiped it, I'm going to rinse it so all of that dirt comes off of it. And I'm working with 2 towels, that way I can kind of alternate. Now, on panels that are especially dirty, you're gonna wanna do another pass. So let's go ahead and do another pass. Again, keep my towel folded into 4. And again, side to side motion, top to bottom. Now that the panel is wiped, I'm going to dry it with our drying towel. This has 2 sides and is extremely absorbent. I'm going to use the gray side first, and then I will come back with the pink side to polish it up. Repeat all of those steps for every panel on the car, and that's how easy it is to use the Americana Global Rinse-less Wash system. Another really cool part about this product is I can use it as a quick detail spray. So what you'll do is mix 1 cap per 32 ounces of water and have a plush microfiber towel on hand. And if I'm out and about and I get some bird droppings or minor debris on the car, I can spray it and wipe it off with a clean part of the towel. So as you can see, it is possible to wash your car during winter or in areas with water restrictions. If you want to stock up on any of these products, visit ceramicpro.com/aftercare or click the link below.